Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Van Gilder and I am a 6th grade science and social studies teacher in St. Mary's, Kansas at St. Mary's Grade School. I have also taught ELA as well as small group, ELA, and math at St. Mary's. And this is my 7th year teaching. I'm a mom of 2 amazing little boys, Riley and Joseph. Riley will be 5 this year and starting kindergarten next year, and Joseph just turned 3. My husband is the director of IT at Manhattan Christian College, and we both embarked on this endeavor of going back to school together. He's getting a second undergrad, and I am getting my master's in instructional technology. I graduated from Kansas State in 2012 with my degree in elementary education. My first teaching job, I spent 2 years out in Oakley, Kansas, from 2012 to 2014, teaching 5th grade ELA and social studies. And then I'm currently in St. Mary's, and have been there for the last 5 years. So the technology that I have used, currently at St. Mary's grade, actually St. Mary's in general, as well as the Rossville schools. We're a combined district that goes under the name of Kaw Valley. We have one-on-one Chromebooks from 3rd through seniors. And then we have one-on-one tablets or iPads from kindergarten up. Each classroom that has Chromebooks also has 5 classroom iPads. One of those is considered the teacher iPad. We have a green screen within our school that I've utilized quite a bit for various different projects that we do. We are a Google school. We're actually a Google model school. So I've used all of the different Google apps. I enjoy really using Google Classroom within my instruction. Each building in St. Mary's and Rossville also has a 3D printer. So I've done some 3D print designs with my kids, and we typically use Tinkercad when we do these projects. We use code.org. We do coding once a week for about an hour, maybe a little bit more. My kids absolutely love when I say it's time for coding. And then we also do typing once a week for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, and we use typing.com. In the classrooms, I have used interactive boards. We have recently moved to all classrooms having touchscreen Promethean boards. I want to say it's about 60-inch. It's basically like a 60-inch TV. And the picture is so much better, and you don't have to worry about like a bulb on a projector going out or anything like that. You just have to worry about poor Ethernet cables. So why a master's in instructional technology? I have a need to help educators with technology. I also love teaching kids how to use technology and seeing what they can truly do with it. I also wanted to broaden my knowledge of technology and its uses and how I could become a better educator while also instilling the need for technology in our classrooms. Our world is constantly changing, and there will be even more need for our kids to be technologically advanced. I still do a lot of projects with my kids that are very low-tech. We're doing one right now where it's all construction paper, but I definitely try to include the technology. And then when I was looking at going back for a master's, I didn't want to do administration. And I really didn't want to focus on just a core, so I wanted to do a program that would broaden what I could do, and something that I could share with other teachers. I present every summer at the K-8 conference. It's a conference that our district does where teachers teach other teachers. And then I'm also going to be presenting at the MACE conference this year in Manhattan, and it's all involving technology, and some of the ideas I actually got from this program. So some of the greatest challenges with using technology is oftentimes the lack of technology at home. I do projects and stuff online, but I have to really make sure that there's time to do them in class because I have so many kids that don't have computers or internet access at home. Another challenge is when we have delayed technical support. It happens. I understand our tech guys are busy and we get busy, and one thing that I've always been told since my husband's the director of IT is if you have treats for your tech guys, they'll be more likely to come and help you faster. And then just introducing the technology to new teachers. Our district is very progressive with our technology. Everyone has a device. All teachers have a computer, a Chromebook, an iPad at their disposal, but no one's really taught how to use it. We really need to focus on introducing the technology that we have to our new teachers. And then also just finding resources that work on our Chromebooks that do get through our firewall. Sometimes I find awesome resources at home, and I'm like, oh, this is going to be awesome. My kids are going to love it. And then I go to use it and realize that there's something within it that's not letting us be able to get through our firewall. So my future plans, I plan on continuing to teach. I would ideally want to be a junior high social studies teacher. Social studies is my passion. I love that kind of stuff. I love seeing the kids connect the dots between what has happened and what is happening and what could happen. But I enjoy working in the elementary school. I would also enjoy being a tech teacher, being able to work with adults and students and improving their technology use. So I look forward to this semester. Thank you.